obviously will be down here. WOK, is that halting to the upside? It is. Ben, I know you were asking about this one. Hey, man, look, 19 cents is a low. If you're going to even touch this, Ben, stop loss 29 cents at best. I wouldn't play with these things. These things are going to 6 cents levels. Target number 1, you have 46 cents. I'll just highlight this before I go. Let me see. Target 2, you have 68 cents. Target 3, you have 106. And I know it's cheaper, guys, but that doesn't mean it's the better play. Just make sure it's moving in your favor. Make sure if you're going to touch this, it's because it's actually showing you confirmation, not because you want the cheapest play that's going to give you the biggest payout, most amount of shares. Protect your money at all costs, guys. I'm just changing the colors so you know the difference in targets. Colors don't mean any. I'm just choosing different colors, literally. That's all. That's too close to home. Gold, I guess. I don't have many options, guys. Forgive me. Okay, and obviously if this comes back up here, then what's the order flow on this? They need to update this. The order flow on this. If it dare come back up here, guys, these are going to be blues. I mean, again, it would have to climb back through all of this, guys. So again, I'll leave that there. Again, target 1, 46 cents, and it's halting up again. It just unhalted, went up to 43 and halted back up. It's on an uptrend. See the MACD curving in the green. Last 10 minutes has been buyers are in control. Buyers and bears covering, right? That still counts as a buy. RSI is climbing up. We'll leave this. Let's see if this is a Cinderella comeback story. Okay, but I left you with your targets here. Stop loss, in my opinion, still 29 cents in order for you to stand a chance. Or if you want to be more conservative, you can go for 35 cents. Okay, but target 1, 46 cents, target 2, 68 cents, target 3, 106, target 4, 131, target 5, 145, target 6, 160. And if that breaks open, hold on, there is one more target that I don't see. I didn't see it at first. 175. I'll leave it as that color. That's fine. And then if that breaks with momentum, you know, obviously we have these levels up here unless new resistance shows up. Okay, so let's see if this is going to be a Cinderella story, but this is at the bottom of the plays. That's honorable mention, SMX, dump. On team, can we talk about WOK smashing through every target on the chart from the lows? Before I left this morning, what did I say? When I left at around 11 a.m., I said, let's see if this is going to be that miracle play. Can we, guys, please tell me someone jumped in there. Who was asking about this? Ben. Ben asked about this. So this one is for you, Ben. I said, let me see, Ben. Let me draw those lines for you, Ben. Oh, my goodness. Ben, I'm so sorry. I realized, too, that look at this thing go, baby. Oh, my God. Let's go, Team Bear Tamer. Ben, where's Ben? You got it, Seg? Yes, Seg. Let's go. Let's go. I literally left it on the screen. I said, let's see if it can bust a miracle. I literally left it on the screen. This was the only play that was on my screen the entire day. Well, on my chart. Oh, man. Oh, let's go. Let's go. New member. New member is cooking. Come on, we got to clap. We got to clap for him. Clap for Seg. Clap for Ben. If Ben got, Ben was the one that asked about it. It was on the watch list this morning. It fell down from the heavens into the abyss and said, nope. We just went to drop a package off. We're coming right back. Let's go, Calibreed. How you liking day one? And I know you have DXYZ as well that you're holding. Congratulations as well. That is up big as well. But that's a swing. This one here, let's go. Congratulations to everyone that took profits. Yo, I'm crying. I'm dying, Leo. I'm lying. Calibrate. We'll wait for your results. Cooking. We're cooking. We're thriving. We're having a ball. Oh my goodness. I'll wait for you to post your ticker, the ticker, WOK, your entry and your exit. Whenever you exit, my goodness. 375. Beautiful. As I told you guys, that order flow is useless today. I said, if it breaks that from down there, skies is the limit. Oh my goodness. Broke through the blue skies. You see it. You see it up here. We're in space. You see all this black up here? Look at it. Oh my God. My phone. Member team, pivot to what's paying. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Can we clap for our fellow trader? Just joined today, man. I appreciate you. I hope you're having a great time on day one. We are having a ball. We got to put the music up, man. Listen, we got to put the music up. Put the music up and celebrate your peer. Hey. Hey. I don't take myself seriously at all, guys. Just because we're traders don't mean we need ties and suits and I got to be all professional. Celebrate the win, baby. Let's go, Calgary. Let's get money. Hey. Oh my God. I'm so happy for you, my friend. Let's go. Thank you for your trust and support. Joining today. Look at that. DXYZ. Listen, man, congratulations on that win. Well deserved. Congratulations to everyone today that got a W, if you took losses, but you minimized them, congratulations. That is, we're not taking big losses here on this team. That is not promoted here. Cut your losses, respect your stop losses. If you got wins today, whether it was 10 cents, $1, $2 runs, doesn't matter. Congratulations. Well done. Look, it's still cooking. Is there a reason to look anywhere else right now? $5.30. Man, from 19 cents. Talking about an alert. Talk about alert city. Look at the alert system. Ben, where you at? Ben. Look at the, told you, if it passes this, skies is the limit. And $6, $6.13. Oh, beautiful play. But let's go find new ones, if there is. Thank you for your time, trust, and support. I hope you had a great session. Until next time.